In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to contact Beehiiv support so you can get help efficiently. Whether you're experiencing technical issues or have questions about using the platform, reaching out to support is often the fastest way to get back on track. First, open your browser and navigate to the Beehiiv website. On the home page, click the Login button in the top right corner. Then select Sign In with Google if your account is linked to Google. Once logged in, you'll be on the main dashboard. From there, navigate to the Help section, usually found on the dashboard or in a drop-down menu, and click on Support Squad to access direct support services. In this area, click Create Ticket to open a form where you'll provide details about your issue. Start by entering the reason for reaching out, then a brief subject and a detailed description explaining your problem, including any troubleshooting steps you've tried.